Hi guys, welcome back to this new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create a brush-like metal in Blender. Everything is procedural, and let's jump straight in. So I want to create for this video the bronze-like brushed metal, and to do this the process is the same for all the other type of metal. It's changed is the basic texture and the color of the metal. So I create a new principal BASDF material, make it metallic, and set the roughness to 0.2 because I'm sorry, so 0.2 because I want a medium shiny metal for this video. So now I want to create the base color for my bronze metal. So I create a new noise texture, and with Ctrl T I create the mapping node and the texture coordinate node. After, I will apply my noise texture to the base color. And start to set up it. So I can preview with Ctrl Shift and left click of the mouse the texture on the material output, and I want to set it like a very big one in the scale, increase the detail of the texture to 15 and the roughness to 0.815. Now it's time to add here a new color ramp to simply color this noise texture on top of my material. So I put again the principal BSDF in my material output and add a color ramp. And I want to invert the colors here, and I want to make this one a more brownish look, something like this. Maybe could be great. And also this one more brownish look, but more pronounced and more dark. I think I want to add some red on it, something like this. And this one is too clear, so I want to make it more dark. Okay, I create the base color for my bronze metal, and I really like this little variation on the surface that's bring more realism on this material. Now it's time to create my brush-like stripes to create the brushed metal. I forgot to rename it to brushed bronze. And now it's time to add some bumpiness on top of it. So first thing to do is add another noise texture, and again a color ramp. Color ramp, and the last node is a bump. Now I plug the factor of my noise texture in the factor of the color ramp and the color output of my color ramp into the height of the bump. and the normal value of the bump into the normal, into the normal of my noise texture. As you can see, now the result is very ugly and wrong for me. So we must have to tweak some values here to create the right result that I want to have. So I set the scale to something like 10, the detail to 4, and the roughness to 0.65. I also increased the distortion to 1.2. As you can see, I create this wavy texture on top of my bump. And now it's time to create the stripes. To do this, I with Ctrl Shift T, Ctrl T, I add the texture coordinate node and the mapping node, and the last thing to do to create the correct value of the stripes is set the scale to a very low values. I think -50 or +50 works well for me. Okay, so now we have the stripes of the brushed metal, but the effect is too heavy. And the last thing to do is to set the strength of my bump to something like maybe 0.2. Something like this could be fine for me. As you can see, we have created a very good brushed material. And last thing to do, I want to duplicate my bump node here, so I create another one and put it in between the normal and the bump node of my node editor, and mix my noise texture with my noise texture of the bump to create some other realism on top of it. So I plug it here and set the strength to a very, very low value, something like 0.013. And this creates a little bit of interaction between these two nodes that I really like. So this is the new node for a brushed metal, in this case a bronze metal. I hope you enjoy, and if you want, you can find this material and other material in my Gumroad page. If you like to support me, you are welcome. See you at the next video. Bye!